Look.
Oh,
Oh,
please introduce us to your friends.
Hello.
Speech.
Hello, Square Man.
Is it China number one?
Oh my god.
So far.
Oh. They top yoinked it. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, well, oh shit, how do we make this jump? I guess we just gotta believe. Fuck!
Real.
Oh, alright. Well, Rin also died. Oh man! Yeah.
Okay, I dropped a teacher.
Don't let go, Jack!
No way.
Don't let go!
You rat fucking bastard!
Over here. There's more. Go back to the ship so we can grab more. I think.
Oh, I'm
No.
The flash.
You guys want to look down? You see anything down there?
Oh. Rip Rin, alright.
Oh, I thought there was no like way out or something. What the heck?
Is that a turret I heard? There's fog, and I think I heard a turret.
Oh. We're sick.
I don't think I'm sick. Well, I am sick.
Drop it.
Oh!
Is Joe over?
Oh. What the hell's going on over there?
I think the bees is getting
Were you trying to
Okay.
put in the front?
Yeah, I
oh,
suck.
I think Bone's dead.
Yeah.
Just put in the front and then take the ship off.
I think Bone is dead. Repeat. Bone. How did he die? Over. Bees over.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Port Nicholas Gate.
Where's his body?
Right
I'm
there.
grabbing a last piece of loot that we left outside, so hold the door.
That's just a bolt.
What the hell was that?
Guy.
Dog outside.
Dog outside. Dog outside. Does the foghorn help?
Alright, lads. Let's go.
Can't see shit.
There's a giant.
This way.
There's a giant right there.
F plus. Holy
It's
shit.
right there.
Alright.
Fuck.
Oh, bye guys.
Oh, it just took him.
It's right at the entrance. Okay.
Hi. Oh,
Oh, whoa there. Whoa.
Can we leave?
No.
How are you supposed to get it?
Just wait.
Our door is gonna open again, and we're gonna get wrecked.
I mean, he can't go through
It's
the
not-
door. He's too tall.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's
but
right.
he's just sitting at the door though.
He's running away. Wait, shush.
They weren't doing
Oh, we're
anything.
not gonna waste. We're not gonna waste $500 getting here just to go back home.
You spent $500?
No.
Oh dear.
Just tell him to go away. Hey, go away!
It's like a bear can just make loud
What's that?
sounds. Oh, there's two of them.
It's a dog. That's a dog.
Hey, bear.
You go. That's his
Hey,
scientific name. If you want to say it.
Leo. King.
Leo.
Oh god, what is they showing?
It's the horn. That's why.
You think so?
Is
Yeah.
it
The
also
horn's supposed
Leo?
to scare them, not attract them.
I think
The
so.
dog's waiting at the door.
Sigh something.
Oh, we're so fucked. Wait, we're already missing some people. Oh,
We got him.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, we know who's missing.
Hey, Rin.
Wait, latte bouncing here?
Holy shit!
That was.
Like looted in, you know?
Well,
Except that
I was
Rin,
underneath
I
the
believe.
roof though. That makes no sense.
no, they just dropped the last one
It's
on
like
the
a
front.
landmine. It's just like a landmine. It's the radius.
What is up, gamers?
Run!
Oh, this
oh
sucks.
my god! No, I just told. Oh my god!
They have to do that shit though. They have to. No.
No, drop here all the way down.
Wait. Where's Nathan? Oh, there he is.
Run! Don't go! Oh my fuck, what are you doing
Through
here?
the roof.
It definitely is going through the roof.
What did you go through here?
What?
Wow, someone built him up.
They're in the boogie corner.
Oh.
The end say they're gonna go.
His name is Bone.
They were also fine.
Okay, I'm gonna head out.
Alright.
Good night.
Bye.
Oh,
Oh
I gotta
my
go.
god, good night kiss.
Yeah, I'm with it too actually.
You also want a good night
Oh, well.
kiss?
Here or
Yeah.
Up to you guys.
okay, I can stop it.
Yeah.
Are you beating your meat?
Real.